Hey guys, going over the top stocks to buy in my watch list. Again, this is not financial advice. This is my personal watch list for bullish raid here. So we do have Tesla stock here. We have Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Google, Microsoft, Apple, AMD. We even have a ETF for Dividend, so JEPQ here, and then DraftKings as well as SoFi. And then in this column we have the risk. So at the moment for Tesla, of course, high volatility. Going to put it at a high risk. Nvidia, I have it at a medium. So risk meaning also volatility, meaning the price could go up or down heavily, right? So as of right now, Tesla has been experiencing a lot of volatility. I put Nvidia as a medium. Risk for Amazon, Meta, Google, Microsoft, Apple, AMD, and JEPQ all are at a low risk in my opinion. And then DraftKings here also a medium risk, and then SoFi I'm putting a high risk as well. Over here I do have my preferable entries. This is where I prefer to enter into the stock. And then this is the price target I personally have by the end of the year. Of course, it's not guaranteed to hit, but these are my personal predictions for the end of 2025. Keep an eye out, for example, Tesla potentially hitting 500, Nvidia 180, Amazon 260 at minimum, Meta 800, Google 220, Microsoft 480, Apple 280, AMD looking for 140, JEPQ $62 is my price prediction, and then DraftKings here I'm looking for $60. I might potentially upgrade my price target here for DraftKings. We'll see how this turns out as well. But my preferable entry for DraftKings between 40 and 50. Recently we just had earnings, so current price here is at 51.94. I just put in the extra notes where I think is a decent entry. So if you can't manage to, well, if I personally can't manage to get into the preferable entry, I personally wouldn't mind going into the extra notes here and looking at the decent entry. Overall, most of these stocks here, especially the low risk stocks, I don't mind dollar cost averaging. Medium stock, I don't mind as well. High risk, just be a little careful if we are closer to the high. So the closer we are to the high of all time with the high and medium risk, I would be a little careful and wary. I'd probably prefer to look for an entry at a pullback for Tesla, Nvidia, or DraftKings and SoFi. However, if you are in these low risk stocks, so again, Amazon, Meta, Google, Microsoft, Apple, AMD, and JEPQ, I think dollar cost averaging over time is perfectly fine. Should start to see profit long haul anyways if you're looking to hold long term. Okay, so this is all just my personal opinion. In the future, if you're looking at this spreadsheet, if it says sell or red, that just means I would watch out for selling pressure, look for a potential pullback, right? Neutral means I'm just looking to hold, wanting to see. Buy means I wouldn't mind adding a small position. And then strong buy means I don't mind adding a big position. So currently, for example, Amazon being below 230, it's in my preferable entry. It's a low risk. I put it to a strong buy. So personally, I don't mind adding a big position in Amazon for the long term. Same for Google, right? Google between 176 and 192 is a preferable entry. And current price is at 184. That's a strong buy. Microsoft here, 384 to 416 is my personal preferable entry. Current price 407. That's a strong buy, being a low risk as well. And then AMD here. AMD is actually experiencing a lot of volatility, but I put it at a low risk because I think it's oversold, and I think we should see a reversal towards the top side. Really, I think I might change this to a medium risk, but for now I'm putting it to a low risk with a strong buy. I think we should see a big reversal for AMD. And then for the medium risk, right? So DraftKings, it's not in our preferable entry. It's above our preferable entry. We also are recently hitting not new highs, but recent new highs for DraftKings. So that's why I would be really cautious for a potential pullback for DraftKings. But long term, anyhow, end of year, I think we should see $60 for DraftKings. I'm actually really bullish on DraftKings as well. SoFi here, experiencing volatility. It's a high risk stock. Preferable entries between 13 and 16. We are within those price ranges, so that's why I have it as a buy. And then I'm looking for $20. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask questions on the Discord. If you're looking to join our Discord and you're not in it yet, I'll leave a free to join link down below in the description. And then if you're looking for our live entries and exits, you can join our Patreon. I'll leave the link to Patreon link down for that down below in the description as well. Again, currently 90% off if that's what you're looking for. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video for these stocks.